Hey guys, welcome to Webside. Website is a space where we deal with all the web related stuff. In this video, I will walk you through the installation of WordPress on your local computer with the Bitnami Wordpress Stack. It's going to be in just 2 simple steps. So, without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we are going to download a software called Bitnami WordPress. Bitnami allows us to run the WordPress on our computer. So, in order to download it, let's go to our browser and then search for Bitnami WordPress. Now click on the link, it would navigate to the Bitnami download page. As you can see, WordPress is available for Windows, Mac and Linux. So according to the operating system you have on your computer, you can pick the download. Here I pick download for the Windows. On this dialog box, click no thanks, just take me to the download. Okay, so now the Bitnami software is downloaded. Now it's time for our second step, that is to install Bitnami on our computer. Go to the folder wherein the Bitnami has been downloaded. Open the file and click OK. This is the Bitnami setup wizard. Click on Next. Here you can choose the folder wherein the Bitnami has to be installed. Click on Next again. Okay, this is the page where we need to enter the login details of our local WordPress site. So enter your name, email address and then the username and the password for the WordPress. Make sure that you remember these details as you will be needing these to log into your local WordPress website. WordPress does not accept the same login ID and the password. To make it clear, just have a look over here. As you can see, the login ID and the password must not be the same. So here I am re-entering another password and then click Next. We have an option of customizing the blog name. I re-enter this as Websites blog. Once you're happy with the name, just click Next. WordPress also allows you to configure mail support. Click the checkbox. Select Gmail from the drop-down. Click Next. Enter the Gmail address and then the configuration is done. If in case you're not interested, just go back to the previous step. Click Next. As you can see, Bitnami is ready to install. Bitnami installation has been completed. Let's launch it. Now to access your website, click Access WordPress. And as you can see, our WordPress site is running on our PC. You can access your site anytime by going to localhost/WordPress on your browser. That's how it works. Now, if you want to log into WordPress, you just add /login and it will take you to the login page of the WordPress. You can now log in by entering the details that you gave during your installation. So, once you have logged in, you can start building your own website. So that's it for this video, guys. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with others. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, Webside. Until then, take care.